Hi, in this short video, you'll learn how to install the Sumpie sump pump sensor. Just before we get started, it's important that you've already registered your Sumpie at app.alertlabs.com. You'll need the serial number. It's located on the box and on the back of Sumpie. Before installing Sumpie, inspect the sump pit. Make sure that there is an open area of water at the bottom of the pit, where Sumpie can point directly down. Watch out for obstructions such as pipes, the float, or anything sticking out from the side of the sump pit. Do not install Sumpie on an angle like this, or like this. Sumpie must point straight down at open water with no obstructions. The best way to mount Sumpie is to clip it onto the pipe. Make sure you do not interfere with the float. If you can't clip Sumpie onto the pipe, see the end of this video for other mounting options. If you haven't already, screw the antenna onto Sumpie. Make sure it's pointing up for the best reception. Do not place the antenna horizontally if possible. It will hinder reception. Plug Sumpie in. Check that the LED turns green. If the LED isn't green after a few minutes, attach the extension antenna and place it high up and away from metal structures. Take a picture of the installation. The best photo is a bird's eye view showing the open water below the Sumpie. Here are other options for pointing Sumpie straight down at open water. Option 1. Mount Sumpie to a piece of wood. Please note that you cannot use the sump pump lid if you choose this option. Option 2. Mount Sumpie on the pit wall. Remember to make sure Sumpie is pointing straight down at the water without any obstructions. Option 3. Mount Sumpie on the lid. We don't recommend drilling holes into a sealed sump pit lid. This is because it is difficult to make sure that Sumpie will point at open water below. If you have any questions about installing Sumpie or anything else, please email support@alertlabs.com or use the help icon at alertlabs.com. Now there's just one more step before you can start enjoying the peace of mind your new Sumpie brings. Follow the instructions in the video called Test Your Sumpie.